Legs can be a bit overwhelming, but they're actually pretty easy. Okay, I know I didn't exactly show off my leg drawing skills in this camera angle, but cut me some slack. They can be hard. This video, I'm going to break down the basic leg shape so you guys can understand them better, and then maybe I'll understand them better as well. When it comes to legs, you have to keep in mind how all of the bones line up, and how the muscles change, and the shape. In a front view, we can see that the bone structure is fairly linear. The legs come out the hips, and the thigh lines up with the rest of the leg. Then when you look at the muscles that are over the bones, there's a significant addition of mass. Except for the knees, that there's less stuff going on there. Look at the sketch I've drawn out here. I'm using oval shapes to indicate the length and width of the thighs and the lower leg. The thigh is wider than the calf area, and once I've laid out those shapes, I add in detail for the knee. I widen out the knee just a little bit so it begins to match the rest of the leg. Now there's a side view of a leg as well. And this is much easier for me as an artist. We've gone over the basic idea of muscle-bone proportions, and if we can do it for the front view, we can do it for the side. The easiest trick I use to get legs right almost every time is understanding that the front of the thigh is curved and the back is straight. And with the calf, it's exact opposite. Front is straight, back is curved. Again, I've used basic shapes to understand the proportions and placement of the leg, and now I can add extra detail. A curved front thigh and a curved back calf. Once that's finished, I just add a little extra for the knee. And it's done, it's that simple. Of course, practice will make perfect. It always does. And will you start off with a couple mangled looking legs? Yes, most likely. But here's the thing. You don't have to show anyone those drawings. Just practice until you can whip them out, no biggie. And then show off your newfound leg skills. Hope this at least helped a little bit, and that you'll be able to expand on your art with this information. We'll see you next week, and until then, have a great day.